Hello everyone, good morning. So today is 15th of March 2019 and right now time is 7:05. So me and Vishal sir, we are going towards Sevok. Just drive start kiye hain and socha why not to make a vlog when I'm traveling with such a person. Actually he is the MD of Legendary Motors, Bardhaman Road, Siliguri. And sir, this is my camera, so you can say hi. So now we are going towards Sevok. बेसिकली हम लोग सेवक कोरोनेशन ब्रिज के वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं एंड रिसेंटली विशाल जी हैव गॉट अ न्यू ड्रोन इन द फैमिली दैट इज DJI MAVIC 2 Pro and yes we are going to fly the drone and let's see how good that footage is. ऐसा है क्या नहीं है वो आपको दिख भी जाएगा, मैं कुछ बता भी दूंगा. So yes, stay tuned for that. So that's your head. Okay, so finally we reached Sevok Coronation Bridge and just parking our car and उसके बाद हम लोग चलते हैं ब्रिज पे and then we'll fly the drone. ओके सो फाइनली हम लोगों ने फुटेज ले लिया है. यस एग्जैक्टली, इट वाज लाइक नाइस फ्लाइंग द ड्रोन. एब्सोल्युटली बहुत. मैविक 2 Pro इज लाइक बीस्ट. कितना विंड था वहाँ पे एंड इट डिडंट इवन बॉदर, कितना स्मूथली गया, राइट? एब्सोल्युटली. सो मैविक 2 Pro इज वेरी रियली अमेजिंग प्रोडक्ट, वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट एंड इफ एनीवन इज विलिंग टू बाय फॉर इट, गो फॉर इट. विंड हो कितना kmph हो, 20-30 kmph का विंड को भी easily वो obstacle को पार कर सकता है. It's very good. And yes, so I hope so you have liked this drone footage. If you have really liked this drone footage, do press the like button. If you have something to comment, then do comment in the comment section box. And you can share this vlog with your people, with your friends and lovely, family members, so that they can get to watch this lovely place, Coronation Bridge. And apart from that, people who have much of queries, you can mail me. My mail ID will be in the description box below, or else in the above section page of my YouTube channel. And you can follow me on my Instagram page, that is NILADRI. You can also follow my Twitter account, that is NILADRI. And you can also follow me on Facebook, that is NILADRI. With all that said, goodbye, take care, ride hard, ride safe. And yes, before I end up this vlog, I would like to thank Vishal ji for like taking the drone and taking the footage and all. So even मैंने भी Mavic Air से उड़ाया है, but Mavic 2 Pro का एक बात ही अलग है. Anyway guys, so and yes, one more thing, before you use this clip in any other part, please do take permission, do mail me if before the use. My mail ID will be in the description box below or else in the description page of my YouTube channel. बिना permission का YouTube में ये video लेके उसको upload मत करना. That's a request. With all that said, guys, thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and yes, do right as I say once again. Bye bye. विशाल जी, कुछ कहना है?
We had great time. Thank you.
चलो, bye bye.